As a culinary medicine physician, I love proving you don't have to give up dessert, and this one is a perfect example. It's a holiday trifle with fresh milled blondies, a Greek yogurt caramel cheesecake layer, and yes, it's still indulgent. Hi friends, welcome back to FitFab with Food. If you are new here, I'm Dr. Priyal, and on this channel we take classic comfort foods and give them a simple, realistic, and nourishing twist. This recipe started with a blondie recipe I found on Love, Life, and Sugar. I loved the idea, but I wanted to see if I could make it healthier without sacrificing flavor. So I swapped in fresh milled soft white wheat flour and made a few other tweaks. And honestly, it turned out even better than expected. These are egg-free cinnamon blondies. I used flex eggs to keep them tender. Fresh milled soft white wheat flour gives a softer texture than regular whole wheat, and it really brings out a rich, slightly nutty flavor. They bake up soft, chewy, and sturdy enough for layering in a trifle. Next time, I want to experiment with slightly reduced butter. This version is delicious, but I'm always curious how far I can go without compromising texture. For the fruit layer, I sauteed apples with a bit of sugar, water, and warm spices. This adds natural sweetness, fiber, and a nice balance to the richness of the caramel cheesecake. Now for the cheesecake layer, instead of cream cheese, I used hung Greek yogurt. Straining it for a few hours gives a thick, creamy texture, just like cheesecake. Then I added caramel sauce, vanilla, and a little thickener to help it set. For the trifle, I folded in some whipped cream to make it lighter and airy, though honestly, this layer alone could work as a dessert filling. Then we layer it all: blondies, apples, caramel cheesecake layer, and repeat. Top it with some more apples, whipped cream, and a final drizzle of caramel. And you've got a holiday dessert that looks gorgeous, tastes indulgent, and still has some nourishing elements. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. This is soft, spiced, lightly sweet, and indulgent without feeling heavy. It really shows that with just a few swaps, fresh milk flour, Greek yogurt, and mindful layering, you can enjoy dessert and feel good about it. And this is what culinary medicine is all about: smart swaps that don't compromise flavor, letting you enjoy food, holidays, and dessert without guilt. I would love to hear from you. Should I test a lower butter version or try a honey sweetened variation next? Comment below and let me know.